24 Mustang GT versus 2016 Z06. I have Corsa Extreme and H-pipe. What do you have done?
I got a supercharger lid, intake, X pipe, and muffler delete.
So we're gonna do a rev battle. Let us know which one you guys like the best, sound wise. So stay tuned. Oh, he's gonna go first, and then me. So go ahead and go for it. Now up next is me. So that's the end of our rev battle. Let me know which car won, the Mustang or the Z06. So comment below and let me know what you guys want to see next.